This is a short demonstration showing how to use AWS Migration Hub Refactor space to strangle a monolithic Java app. The app we'll use is the Order Management System, or OMS, which we also use in our vFunction tutorial and our vFunction AWS workshop. It's a Spring app running on Tomcat 9 for managing product orders. It's deployed on an AWS EC2 instance at US East 1 region. To understand how this application can be split into microservices using vFunction, you can watch the video tutorial on YouTube or follow the AWS vFunction modernization workshop. The end result of splitting the services are a set of 3 services deployed on AWS EKS using Ingress Nginx for exposing the REST API. Using AWS Migration Hub Refactor space, we created a proxy for the OMS app, services, and routes. Let's review them. So let's start by listing the proxies. You can see a proxy for the OMS app, and this is the proxy URL in the API gateway. There are 2 services. One for the monolith, the OMS app 1, and this is the URL of the monolith. And one for the order controller on EKS, and this is the URL through the Nginx ingress. The routes. One is the default route that routes to the service representing the monolith, and the other one is a URI path that routes API calls to the order controller service. Here is the end result diagram represented in the diagram. So we have the API gateway routing the API calls to a network load balancer and transit gateway. Some, by default, it goes to the monolith running on EC2, or those that, according to the route, going through Nginx to the order controller in EKS. Let's see that. Let's see a few API calls. So by default, it goes to the monolith. So we have the product and the inventory, and this is the URL of the API gateway. And with the same URL, but with a different route, it goes to the order controller service running on EKS. That's it, really. Thank you for listening.